I'm unsure if this is the big information that Earl was dropping today. Another lie detector test full of bullshit. As anyone with any intelligence knows, lie detector tests are inadmissible in court because they are so unreliable, and we know that Earl has previously beaten a lie detector test despite his lies that he hasn't. I am surprised that such an experienced videographer would release a video with the video round the wrong way. Earl, if you need any advice how to correct that post recording, don't hesitate to contact me. And I am unsure why the audio plug was covering a certain element of the page and you decided to remove it at some point. Can you clarify that for us? Thanks.